Kling Motion Control 3.0 just recreated camera control in AI videos, but getting actually good results from it is almost impossible unless you know exactly how to use it. That's why in this video, I'm walking you through the whole thing step by step, so by the end, you can run this on your own content. So the first thing I'm doing is going straight into OpenArt, and if you want to follow along, the link is in the description below. Now once you are in OpenArt, go to Video, then Motion Sync, then select Kling 3.0. This tool works when you give it two things. The first thing you upload is an image of whoever you want to put in the video. The second is a motion reference video, and that is where all the movement comes from. It basically reads how the person is moving in the reference video and copies that onto whoever is in your character image. To actually show you what that means, I'm running it on the most recognizable painting in the world. For the character image, I'm uploading the Mona Lisa painting with no borders. For the motion reference, I am uploading a video of a woman speaking expressively in a casual conversational tone. Change the character orientation to exact and the mode to pro, then hit generate.
So I told him, I said, this is not a situation state, this is just a situation. And he looked at me like I was speaking another language. Sir, I have a skincare routine more committed than you.
So Kling Motion Control goes through that reference video, picks up the facial expressions, the lip movements, the head rotation, the body sway, and just puts all of that onto the Mona Lisa. So whether you are making dance videos, viral reaction videos, or anything with quick movement, the results hold up a lot better than before. If you're not on OpenArt yet, the link is in the description so you can follow along with everything I'm building. The first use case is one that a lot of content creators are really going to want to try. Now let me get into the first creative category, and this one was built specifically for people who create content without ever showing their own face. Category 1 is UGC characters. Start with a clip of yourself which shows motion. Then you swap yourself out completely using GPT Image 2, bring the new character into Kling Motion Control, and it uses all the motion from your original clip to bring that character to life. The background and the movement stay the same, just with a totally new character. From that same clip, you can create as many different characters as you want, different face, different body, different voice, and the person watching will never know. I have two videos for this. In the first, I am speaking directly to the camera about gym rest times on a plain background. In the second one, I am holding the Lumike scalp serum on a dusty pink background, speaking with expressive body language. Both videos are the motion reference for everything in category 1, and I'm starting with a gym influencer. So take a screenshot from my gym clip. It already has everything you need right there. The exact pose, the framing, the lighting, and the background. Go to Images inside OpenArt, then GPT Image 2, and drop in that screenshot. The prompt swaps me out for a heavily built gym influencer in his late 20s with a muscular build, a short fade haircut, tattooed forearms, and a fitted dark t-shirt. The second half of that prompt is just as important as the character description. Everything else stays as it was. The pose, the angle, the framing, and the background. The new person goes into the exact same spot. And what you get back is a gym influencer sitting in the same spot, same background, but a completely new person. Now take that image into Kling Motion Control. The gym influencer image is your character, and my original gym clip is the motion reference. Character orientation set to exact, mode set to pro, and hit generate.
Bro, I've been training for 3 years and nobody told me this. Your rest time between sets is literally killing your gains. 90 seconds minimum, I don't care what your program says. Test it for 1 week, thank me later.
Kling Motion Control goes through my original clip and copies every movement, gesture, and lip sync beat onto the gym influencer. The background stays the same because it was already part of the character image from GPT Image 2, and it looks perfect, but there is one more thing I need to do before this is actually ready. So here's what happens. Kling Motion Control takes the audio from the reference clip and carries it straight through into the output. So the gym influencer looks completely different from me, but when I play it back, the voice is still mine. A gym influencer talking in my voice sounds immediately wrong. So to change the voice out, I go to the OpenArt homepage, select audio, then select voice changer. For the gym influencer, I pick American, male, young, and select Vesper. And then I export it. Then I open the Kling Motion Control output video in CapCut, replace the original audio track with the new Vesper voice file, and export the final video.
Bro, I've been training for 3 years and nobody told me this. Your rest time between sets is literally killing your gains. 90 seconds minimum, I don't care what your program says. Test it for 1 week, thank me later.
The gym influencer now looks right and sounds right. Visual person change done, voice replacement done, both complete. In the second UGC clip, I am holding the Lumike scalp serum on a dusty pink background, speaking with expressive body language. This time, I'm the one getting swapped out for a female beauty creator, but the Lumike bottle has to stay exactly where it is. I take a clean screenshot from that clip and upload it into GPT Image 2 on OpenArt. The prompt replaces me with a beautiful woman in her mid to late 20s while keeping the Lumike Pink Scalp Serum bottle in exactly the same hand position with the label facing the camera. Everything around the person stays exactly as it was. The only thing that changes is who is standing there. What comes back is the skin influencer character image, and everything's locked in place except the person. That image goes into Kling Motion Control. The character image is our skin influencer. The motion reference is my original Lumike clip. Make sure that orientation is set to exact and that mode is set to pro, and generate.
Okay, so I've been using this for literally 3 weeks and my scalp has never felt this good. Like the dryness, gone. I put 3 drops, massage it in, and honestly, it's become my favorite part of my routine. Lumike is not playing around.
She is now presenting Lumike with my exact body language and expressive motion. Same product, same dusty pink background, just a completely different person moving naturally in the frame. For audio, head to OpenArt voice changer again. This time, select American for accent, female for gender, middle age for age, and choose the voice Bella, and then export. Replace the audio in CapCut and export the final video.
Okay, so I've been using this for literally 3 weeks and my scalp has never felt this good. Like the dryness, gone. I put 3 drops, massage it in, and honestly, it's become my favorite part of my routine. Lumike is not playing around.
Both UGC videos are now done. Gym influencer and beauty creator, both moving with natural motion, both with matching voices, neither of them filmed, both built from 2 inputs and 1 workflow. Category 1 is about swapping the person while keeping everything else. But category 2 goes in a completely different direction, and this is the one that stops feeling like a content tool and starts feeling like actual filmmaking. Category 2 is the complete opposite, because instead of keeping the world and changing the person, this time we're going to keep the person exactly as they are and instead rebuild the entire world around them. So for this category, I used videos with a completely plain empty white room. The reason for that is because a plain white room gives GPT Image 2 a completely clean canvas to work with. Now I have 2 videos for this, and in this one, I'm standing arms crossed, staring at a blank white wall, and in the second one, I'm leaning over an empty table with both hands flat on the surface. Starting off with the first one, the investigation board. I take a screenshot of my blank wall video and drop it into GPT Image 2 on OpenArt. Then I paste in this prompt right here. It just tells GPT to leave me completely untouched, but rebuild all the things around me. And this looks amazing. It is me in the exact same position, but now I have this entire dressed cinematic detective room with the entire world basically built around me, which is really cool to see. Now let's put it back into Kling Motion Control. I'm going to make sure to set the character image to be the detective and the motion reference to my original video. Then I'll set the orientation to exact and the mode to pro, and now let's generate. It takes the subtle motion from the video and applies it inside the new investigation room. All that just comes to life, the entire environment completely shifts. Now for the second one, this is going to be the war room. Again, I'm taking a simple screenshot of the empty white table video and dropping it into GPT Image 2, same as before. The prompt just tells it to leave me exactly as I am. This result is just as cool. Let's go ahead and drop it back into Kling Motion Control. I'm going to use the exact same settings and hit generate. This one, in my opinion, looks even better than the last one. I just absolutely love how all the details just pop that much more, and all of it just looks really cool. All of this runs inside OpenArt, and the link is in the description. Click the link below and everything from this video is already there waiting for you, so you can start running this on your own videos right away. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.